ओइ राजेन नों मैया सिएमजों थांदोंमोन साख्रिनि बाथ्राफोरखौ मा बुंखो
मा बुंब्रा प्रदीप मालाय जोंनो होआनो गावसोरनि बेरेखा मावग्राखाय
मा बेरेखा हाबा सम बोथोर थाखानाय मोनथायखौ होनायाव बिसोरो मा खहा दं This is not a rule of constitution. This is a black policy of politicians.
मा खालामनो बे खुलि जुगावलाय Each and everyone thinks only for themselves.
Of course.
गावहानो गाव दिनै जुदि जोंहा आथिं गानो भिसायानो गैयाब्ला मालायजों होखारजाखागोनखा That's sure. So we have nothing to mind about it.
You are absolutely right, Dilip. They have completely become devils for the society. Alright, जों बिसोरखौ दानो दुफान लायाब्ला there will be dark future for the future generation.
जों कि बिसोरजों नांनो हायो What do we have? Neither financial nor political power.
We have human rights, and we have to know how we have to use it.
जानो दोले हांगामा जों बादि मुथासल मानसियालाय माथो खालामनो हानो बेसोरखौलाय
We each and everybody should try to be a stick of fire. Then only we will be able to issue for our independence.
Yeah, you are certainly right, Hangama.